What's up, Lucky Heads? Today I'm going to be riding the craziest electric vehicle I think I have ever ridden, and South Bank ain't going to know what hit it. Oh my god, here it is. Like I see a white sheet. Can you guess what it is? Drum roll. It's a couch! Prepare yourselves for the chaos, public pranks, and witness this couch get wrecked at the skate park. Oh. Yeah, nice. We can see there are some wheels here in action. Oh, it's just a good old electric armchair, isn't it, everyone?
The couch is one of the most significant inventions in American history. But with the power of electrification, we bring you the e-couch. Kick back and sit on your ass anywhere, anytime with the new moving electric couch. The e-couch cannot be refunded. Side effects include and are not limited to severe injury, death, or alienation from your confused friends. Each e-couch sold separately. Terms and conditions apply.
This is an electric armchair, and this has been created by Boost, the e-bike conversion kit company. They wanted to basically see if they could just get a little bit experimental and see what they can convert. And this, my friends, is a pretty damn good choice. This is Nick, by the way, the fantastic creator. The e-couch is run off of 2 batteries, a great big motor, and there's radio control components right under here. Oh, and there's also an emergency turn-off switch, should you need. Flip it over and you can see the steering and those wheels of choice. I've never seen anything like this before. Right.
It's the classic RC car remote control, so
it is.
Pull to go, turn to steer.
Oh, I get it. Got the trigger to go, and the wheel here spins it round. By the way, guys, this doesn't have a name. And I want you to comment down below and tell me what you think this should be called. So I'm thinking either Set E, E-Couch, Couchy. Okay, those are my only options. I know you can do better than me at home, so comment down below. What should this be called? Let's go see what the public think.
They see me rolling.
Can I fit through? Oh, it says no scooters or cycling. Okay. Doesn't say no couches. How great is this? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, that's a really sharp turn. FYI, we're gonna take this on a skate ramp later, so watch out for that one. Do you know what this really reminds me of? Is, you know that scene in WALL-E where all those people are just being moved around on their sofas? This is the future, guys. Hi sir, do you have a ramp so I can come in?
What's that?
Have you got a ramp so I can come in?
Yeah, all the way down.
All the way down. Yeah. Thank you, sir. South Bank bringing e-couch friendly ramps from day dot. We knew this was a forward-thinking place. Meow, coming through. Thank you very much. Coming through, coming through, coming through.
Been to a Sofa Sounds gig?
Oh, this is Sofa Sounds, but make it South Bank.
What is that?
It's an electric couch.
Comfortable.
Comfiest seat in the house. So, sorry, what was your name?
I'm Daniel. My name is Daniel, yes.
He's called Daniel, and he has a beautiful voice. Where can we find you, Daniel? What's your socials?
Dan.Cuba on Instagram.
Go check him out. This guy is a genius. Oh my god, this is the best e-ride I've been on, full stop. Oh, it got caught. Oh my god, and we're gonna take this on skate ramps later. Security have just come over to us and said apparently we're not allowed to film here on South Bank. So we need to work out where we're gonna take this thing because security is just gonna be trailing us.
Across the bridge, maybe?
I think we should try the bridge. They can only say no.
Yeah. Back into the sun on this boiling day.
Oh, I know, Mojo, you're a sweaty boy. Right, let's try and not bust the wheel. Remember, this is a prototype. Yo! Right, if you have a go, will you give me a free yogurt?
Yeah,
Yes!
No. Wow, this is so cool. Oh, sorry. It doesn't start very easily. I think it might need 10 minutes to get used to driving it, but yeah, that's so cool. That's really cool.
Right, do I get free yogurt?
I'll get you both the yogurt.
Oh, by the way, guys, if you are enjoying this video today, then I would suggest that maybe you hit that like button, and you should absolutely subscribe because we have more videos just like this coming your way. And if you want to see another video with this sofa and what we should be doing with it, let me know down in the comments. Hit that subscribe so you can see those future videos. All right, back to the content.
How do you operate it?
Oh, so there's a remote just over here.
remote.
Yeah, but we're just.
So you can actually... Ailish, I don't know if you've already done it, but what if we just like put it somewhere and then get people, do you want to try our new couch?
Yeah.
And without them knowing, we just go and it starts going. Yeah.
Oh, it looks like security has other plans.
If he's not riding it, it's a remote control car, yeah?
Remote control is not
Is it okay? Remote control little toys?
No, not allowed.
Oh, okay.
Just keep getting moved on, so
Should we move along?
I guess we'll move along. Sorry to ruin your
Thank
day.
you.
Right. We've set the trap. Let's see if anybody's going to take the bait.
Oh. Yeah, he's gonna sit. He's gonna sit.
Go on, get it.
Yeah. Stop moving.
I'm just going to hit this woman though.
Oh, smashing it. Yeah, you've got a lot of obstacles there. He's loving it.
So many people are coming over to this couch. The general public are like, I see a comfortable sofa, I'm gonna sit on it. I would not in a public street, but hey, people are here for it. How would you rate it out of 10? 9?
10.
Oh, 10. I was in a 9. We gave you a lift earlier, didn't we? Yeah. Did you enjoy the ride? Absolutely. Yes. I don't think I've smiled so much on an electric ride before. And I don't think I've gotten as much attention in my life as riding this. I mean, you don't see a gliding couch every day on the streets, do you? Well, imagine if everybody commuted on one of these. Imagine the roads full of e-couches. The world would be a happier place. Sorry everyone, you look gorgeous. You guys are dressed up amazingly. Ooh. Mate, there's a skate park. We are sending this sofa in the skate park on a ramp. If that is the last thing that I do, that is the last breath that I take, famous last words.
We call this foreshadowing.
And do a kickflip.
What do you think?
Mad ting.
Mad ting, there we go.
You want to ollie it?
Maybe, yeah.
How high is your ollies?
I'm gonna try to do the kickflip there.
Yeah?
Should we go and then come back and do it?
We'll literally be like maybe 15, 20.
Yeah, that's alright. I'll be there. Yeah.
All right, let's come back.
Quick. Oh no, wrong button!
Almost there.
Right, come on. Yeah!
Yes. All right, I'm
Right,
gonna run to the top and get you.
Oh yeah. Hey guys. This is the way to travel, everyone.
We got the Big Ben and the London Eye on this side.
Big Ben.
How much does it cost for an apartment where you can sit on a couch with this view, Ailish, in London? It's like 5 mil.
Oh, at least 5 mil. How much is this? It's free, mate. Gifted from Boost. Yeah, boy. London, baby. I know, right? Can anyone do an ollie on this? Oh, you're right. You're okay. Yeah.
Oh. Hold on. Alright, tell me. Feel up. Legs up. Do this. Take it at full speed. You good? What's this saying? Is it broke?
Nah. It's good.
Yeah!